When you think about metal, you think aluminum, bronze, steel, cold to the touch surfaces, gray tones, strong, dense, rigidly formed structures. While this may describe the materials, the processes behind its creation are anything but rigid. It's poetry in motion. After my first few shoots at Regal, one thing became clear. Metal manufacturing is poetry in motion. It's motion driven, smooth, precise, microscopic, bold, powerful, turbulent motion. Regal's story is one of mastery. On the shop floor, at every corner, behind every department, you'll find individuals who are masters of their craft. Though their skill is evident in their ability to execute perfect operations over and over again, their attention to detail and ability to problem solve enhances and emboldens their craftsmanship. The word is dedication. At Regal, we have teams of people who are dedicated to mastering their craft by ways of learning, innovating, and finding new ways to improve our projects. They don't just work metal, they elevate it. And then there's personality. So many unique, funny, inspiring, thoughtful, considerate, determined, dedicated personalities that make up the fabric of this special place. Personality is at the forefront of everything we do at Regal. Exceptional quality isn't driven by expertise alone. It's fueled through authentic engagement. It's a special connection we form with our work, our teams, and our clients that enable us to produce parts with purpose and precision. But manufacturing at Regal isn't just about producing perfect metal parts. It's about poetry in motion. It's mastering our craft, its personality, and its quality beyond measure.